Exeter is one of the most lively, attractive and historically fascinating cities in England. It's a small city that packs a big punch. Exeter's history is lengthy and rich, going back to before the arrival of the Romans in AD 50. Its unique underground passages, free red coat guided tours, spectacular cathedral, massive Roman wall and lovely quayside are just a few of the remarkable tourist attractions that represent this. The acclaimed Royal Albert Memorial Museum, located in Exeter, allows visitors to discover the city's 2,000-year history under one roof. With a strong sense of uniqueness, a vibrant cultural scene, and a wide variety of restaurants, Exeter is known as one of the gourmet capitals of the Southwest. If you want to find a wonderful selection of independent stores, boutiques, cafes and bars, head to the West Quarter or the cobbled Gate District. Exeter Cathedral, one of the best specimens of ornate Gothic architecture in the nation, is located in the center of the city. There are many cafes and restaurants in Cathedral Yard where you may sit and see the striking west front of the cathedral. The Royal Albert Memorial Museum offers a journey of discovery from prehistory to the present, with 16 galleries of exhibits and a year-round schedule of outstanding touring exhibitions. Exeter is well known in the Southwest for its autonomous arts sector when it comes to culture. It is well known as a venue for premier athletic events and musical performances. A full program of events and festivals is hosted year-round at a variety of independent and big venues, including the neighboring Powderham Castle and the Exeter Phoenix. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Due to its small size, the city is the ideal place to go shopping because a wide variety of stores are conveniently close to one another. Browse huge department stores like John Lewis in Prince Hay and the High Street's primary shopping districts, or go to the Castle and West Quarters for obscure independents and vintage shops. Hire a bike or canoe to explore the Exeter Canal. Travel to the Quay Climbing Center to scale the largest indoor climbing wall in the Southwest, or simply head to the quayside to watch the world go by from one of the waterside pubs or cafes. Exeter offers plenty to suit all preferences in culture. The Exeter Northcote, the Bike Shed Theatre and Powderham Castle are all great places to see professional touring theatre productions. Given the variety of restaurants available, this area is well known as one of the Southwest England's gastronomic capitals. Field fresh produce is sold in a weekly farmers market, while excellent Devon meats and fish are available to sample at regular street food markets for a fast lunch break. For a traditional cream tea or to sample authentic alleys and great wines in ancient taverns, visit the Cathedral Quarter. With the Exeter Festival of South-West Food and Drink in April, a craft festival in July, and an incredible atmospheric annual Christmas market on Cathedral Green in November-December, the city has a year-round roster of exciting activities. A trip to witness the Exeter Chiefs rugby team in action is not to be missed, as sporting activities are valued highly here. Exeter is a great base for seeing the rest of Devon because to its excellent road, rail and bus connections.